The new Porsche 911 Turbo S is the most powerful production 911 to date, thanks to an innovative twin-turbo powertrain with T-hybrid technology. The 701 horsepower all-wheel drive sports car combines outstanding performance with a high degree of exclusivity, long-distance comfort, and everyday usability. Available as a coupe and cabriolet, the new generation debuts with significantly improved performance, a more muscular design, refined aerodynamics, an optimized chassis, and an extensive list of optional equipment for personalization. As is typical for a 911 Turbo model, the body is wider than on the current 911 Carrera models. The rear quarter panels also feature intakes that channel process air to the engine. On the redesigned rear fascia, striking ventilation openings additionally emphasize the width. Oval-shaped, titanium exhaust openings are available as an option. An updated design optimizes cooling for both the powertrain and brakes while delivering enhanced aerodynamics. Active, vertically arranged cooling air flaps in the front of the vehicle and an active front diffuser work in conjunction with an active front spoiler and an extendable, tilting rear wing to reduce drag or lift as the scenario demands. As a result, the drag coefficient of the 911 Turbo S Coupe is reduced by up to 10% compared to its predecessor in the most efficient position. In addition, the active aerodynamics aim to improve wet braking behavior. In wet mode, the cooling flaps in the front close to help protect the front brake rotors from excessive water spray. Numerous contrasting elements are designed in Turbonite, a color reserved for turbo variants. These include the Porsche crest and the Turbo S lettering at the rear. In addition, Turbonite accents in the slats of the engine grille and around the windows differentiate the range-topping model. The selection of wheels for the 911 Turbo S also includes new center lock designs in Turbonite. Porsche equips the new 911 Turbo S with HD Matrix design LED headlights as standard. The Sport Chrono package, including tire temperature gauge, the specifically tuned Porsche Active Suspension Management chassis, the electro-hydraulically controlled Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control System, and the titanium Sport Exhaust System are also standard equipment. A new Sport Exhaust System features a muffler and exhaust tips made of titanium, which save weight while enhancing both aesthetics and sound of the car. Changes to the 3.6-liter Boxer engine, which uses asymmetrical timing, result in a sharp, throaty sound. The standard Porsche ceramic composite brake system is fitted with new brake pads, the material mixture of which comes from Motorsport and is designed with the increased power and associated braking demands in mind. The new pads are useful from both a performance standpoint and in offering improved brake pedal feel. The front brake rotors have a 420mm diameter as before, while the rear rotors grow to a diameter of 410mm, which is a 20mm increase compared to the rear rotors of the previous 911 Turbo S. This means that the new model is equipped with the largest ceramic composite brake system that Porsche has ever installed in a two-door model. A new generation of tires offers significantly improved dry handling while maintaining good wet performance. The rear tires are 10mm wider than the previous car. Dimensions for the front tires remain the same. The interior also features many accents in Turbonite, including the door panels, steering wheel, dashboard, and center console surrounds. The instrument cluster and Sport Chrono stopwatch get the same treatment, along with deviated stitching in Turbonite. The seatbelts and several buttons in the center console are also finished in this color. Carbon fiber trim inserts with integrated neodyme accents create a sporty and especially premium-looking interior, along with a perforated black Racetex headliner. The 911 Turbo S Coupe is delivered as a two-seater as standard, but rear seats are optionally available at no additional charge. In the interior, adaptive 18-way Sport Seats Plus, with memory function and Turbo S lettering on the headrests, are fitted as standard. The Turbo S-specific embossing on the seat surfaces and door panels is a reinterpretation of the design features of the original 911 Turbo. The newly developed high-performance T-hybrid powertrain achieves a system output of 701 horsepower, a 61 horsepower increase over the previous model. This makes the new 911 Turbo S the most powerful production 911 to date. The maximum torque of the powertrain is 800 Nm and is available over an extremely wide range of 2,300 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. peak horsepower is available across an especially broad power band between 6,500 and 7,000 revolutions per minute. The T-hybrid technology has been developed further for the 911 Turbo S. The two eTurbos and compressors were specifically designed to meet the requirements of the top-of-the-range model. They not only contribute to the considerable increase in power, but they also improve responsiveness. The particularly compact 1.9 kilowatt-hours high-voltage battery is the same as the energy storage unit in the 911 Carrera GTS. An 8-speed Porsche Doppelkupplungsgetriebe with an integrated electric motor sends power to the Porsche Traction Management all-wheel drive system. The Turbo S Coupe is capable of a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in 2.4 seconds, minus 0.2 seconds compared to its predecessor. It takes 8.4 seconds to reach approximately 200 km/h, which is an improvement of 0.5 seconds. The top track speed of the new 911 Turbo S is 322 km/h. An electro-hydraulically controlled Porsche dynamic chassis control system is included as standard equipment. The system uses the 400-volt electrical system and high-voltage battery to operate. It reduces body roll when changing direction and increases agility when entering and exiting corners, actuating more quickly than the hydraulic dynamic chassis control system used in the previous model. The new 911 Turbo S has a curb weight of 1,737 kilograms, which is an 87 kilogram increase from its predecessor, but a modest one considering the additional components of the performance hybrid system. The additional weight is more than compensated for in all areas relevant to driving dynamics. The best proof of this is the lap time on the Nurburgring Nordschleife. As part of the final development drives, the new 911 Turbo S achieved a time of 7 minutes 3 seconds and 92 milliseconds under the supervision of a notary, in the region of 14 seconds quicker than its predecessor.